The solar panel is way bigger than I thought, but it gets the job done. Coming from South Florida, we have had a gasoline generator for years. They work, but are noisy, and scrounging for gas after a bad storm is problematic. This model gives me just the power I need to get by until electricity is restored. It is of course silent, and I don't have to replenish the gasoline every day. It's what I needed. This provides enough power to sustain key appliances such as a refrigerator during a brownout or blackout. It's also the convenience of the solar power to charge up the unit if you actually don't have access to DC power. I love the option of the Anderson ports to charge up to 4 panels to charge up the unit quickly. I will probably get a second unit for the smaller appliances and convenience at a later time, but I absolutely love this. Click on the link below to see price.